I'm so sorry, Michigan and Ohio, Iowa, Minnesota.
Okay, so I thought it might be appropriate to record some of my new Hawaii adventures, since in my mind it's a mission similar to Israel. So I vlogged all of my Israel trip, so I thought it'd be fun if I also vlogged my Hawaii trip. So here we go. I am in the airport of CVG, waiting to leave. I think my layover's in Minneapolis and then LAX, so it's going to be a long day. From LAX to Maui, it's like 7 hours, I think. So 6 or 7 maybe, I don't remember. And either way, it's going to be almost a 24-hour travel day, similar to Israel, so it's crazy to believe that I'm still going to be in the States. So I guess we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I made it. I am here. I'm so excited. I wouldn't be surprised at all if there was like half a second of footage of me in the airport, because I'm really bad at filming in the airport, and also it's the least fun, so why would you do that? But I'm here now. I'm at the Bethkes. They gave me this beautiful lei out of real flowers. It smells amazing. I had some toast, chatted with Alyssa a little bit. I got here at 7:30 in the evening, which is like 1:30 in the evening my time, so I'm just heading straight to bed. I'm really excited for tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. First day, I want to show you guys around my room because it's super duper cute. So this is my bed. It's literally like my dream bed. Like beautiful pillows and blanket. I love it. And then here's the lei that Alyssa made me. It's like real flowers. The only leis I've ever had have been like fake flowers. And it smells amazing. So there's that. And this really cute closet. And my bookshelf, all my stuff. And on my window are palm trees. So pretty. So they all just went out for some little morning activities, and I'm going to get my Bible and read outside. But look, you can see the mountain too. Alright, I'm out getting myself acquainted with their little town, stopping at Target to get some toiletries, and the weather is amazing. Okay, so day 2. Today's been my errand day. I haven't filmed any of that just because why bother? I have 5 weeks and whatever, I don't know, I just didn't feel like it. Okay, so today is my errand day, and I felt very productive because I left the house at 9. And I dropped off like 9 huge bags of books to a used bookstore. And then I went to Target to get some groceries, and then I went to Costco. I got myself a membership. I was very adultish today. I got myself a Costco membership, did some shopping at Costco, and then went home, unloaded the groceries, and then took the car in to get maintenance. And now I am going back home after that. I waited there at the car dealership place and did some work on my computer. So even though I was just sitting there, I was also really productive. So feels like a pretty good day. One really cool story though, while I was at the Costco, I mean, to me it's really cool, but while I was at the Costco, I was walking down the aisle and I heard a mom speaking to her kid in Hebrew. And this happened a couple weeks ago at home. I was at a coffee shop with my friend, and there was 2 guys next to us that were speaking Hebrew, and I really wanted to say something and I didn't. I was too shy, and so I beat myself up over it forever afterwards. I was just like, I can't believe I didn't say anything. This was my chance to speak to someone in Cincinnati in Hebrew, and I didn't, and I regretted it. And so this time at Costco, I was like, you're in Hawaii, there's this lady speaking Hebrew, you should say something. So I did, and I was super excited. I just basically told her, I was like, oh, are you speaking Hebrew? I speak Hebrew. So it was really sweet. Anyways, that was a fun part of my day. Whoa! Wow! Show me.
This is a trampoline.
Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Ah.
Me. What's that?
3 what?
3 dupes.
Oh, 3
There's-
scoops.
There's 2 acid, 1 more acid.
Sure, whatever you want. I'm cool.
Tegan.
Oh.
Wait, hi, let's go catch up with them. Sorry. No, please don't. Please push it high. Very high.
Push it high. Look how high you are.
God, look how high I am. The bottom of the banana.
That's so cool.
And then, yeah, they regrow. Which one these are? See! First, you want me to show you, Suppy? Sit right here. It's this one.
Did I tell you that I'm taking little videos to make? What are you writing?
I got a big rabbit.
Is it a shark?
I got a big rabbit.
Sissy, what are you writing? What's it called?
A bouncer.
A bouncer? What kind of animal is it?
A whale.
A whale?
That one is a sharky.
And a
What's it
shark.
how a shark feels?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you need to learn that. Just
Look,
within that.
Rush, you want to stand up on
In the
here?
center, right. So that was the hole that apparatus came out of. And that lantern holds that beak in place.